Hi everyone, welcome to US Immigration Hub channel. In today's video, we are going to talk about how to file Form G-1450, which is authorization for credit card transactions. If you are new to this channel, my name is Liman and I make videos for a family-based immigration to simplify the immigration process and give you a confidence to go through your immigration journey by yourself. If you, First of all, I'm not an immigration attorney. I'm here to help you based on the information you have from USCIS website. If you find this video very helpful, please subscribe, share, hit notification bell, and give us a big like so YouTube can share the video with more people. So if you're ready, let's get started. So to file the form G-1450, you can type it or print legibly in black ink. You can print it and then file the form by hand, but you must use a black ink. Do not use any other colors. Your application will be rejected. It must be a black ink. So complete the applicant's petitioner's requesters information, credit card billing information, and credit card information sections, and sign the authorization. You must remember, the credit card must be issued by a US bank. It cannot be international banks. So it must be a US bank. And then place your form on top of your application or petition or request package. So do not put it in the middle or at the bottom. It must be on top of your applications. So and keep a copy of your, keep a copy for your future and for your record in the future. So let's start now filing this application. So applicants, petitioners, requesters, information, full legal name, first name, Sliman. I don't have a middle name, is in A. Family name, it's Baker. Credit card billing information, credit card holder's name as it appears on the card. So this information has to be exact as in credit card. So no middle name, family name, it's Baker. Yeah, this is the most important right here. If, for example, this address right here must be, updated with your credit card. This is what happened for some people. What happened right here? They moved and they put the new address, but they did not update the address with the bank. What happened is their credit card transaction was rejected. The credit card address and your address must match. If not, your transaction will be rejected and your form, of course, will be rejected. So make sure your address and address at the bank that you provide at the bank match. So 500 Robert Run, city or town, Indianapolis, state is Indiana, sorry, went too far. Zip code 46254. Now, I already talked about this. As I mentioned, address has to match the address that you provided to your bank. If not, your transaction will be rejected. Here is Indiana. I'm sorry, what? Now, credit card holder, signatures, and contact information. So, credit cards holder signature. Do not sign it for now. You must print it, then sign it with a black ink. I repeat, first you must print it, then sign it with a black ink. Let's move on now to Credit card holder, date time and telephone number is 317 111 2222. Credit card holder email address is sb@gmail.com. And then now credit card information. You know how to get your credit card information. You're gonna put this information right here. Like it's 4 digit for each box. And then credit card expiration date. You know where to find the expiration date is month and year. They always ask just for month and year. Is 02 2028. And this one right here, you can find it in the back of your credit card. Is 123, is always 3 digit. And then type credit card type. For example, mine is a Visa, and authorization payment amount, in my case, 775. So now you're done with the form. So the only things you need to do right here, when you print this form, you must sign with the black ink right here. As I mentioned before, do not initial it right here or put your full name. First, you must print it, then sign it with a black ink. So just, you gotta remember, the form must be filed with a black ink. Place the form on top of your application. Do not put it in the bottom or in the middle. It must be on top. And then sign your application with a black ink. So this is the end of this video. I hope you like it. If you do, please subscribe, share, hit notification bell. Thank you, and see you next video.